Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get flour in ICARUS. First of all, go to the tech tree tier 2 and make sure you get the mortar and pestle alongside the flour researched. So once you have it and craft the mortar and pestle, press F to interact, and here you'll see the recipe for flour. You'll need 10 wheat to do so, and wheat is found in the forest biome. You can find it in these small patches anywhere in the forest biome. By pressing F, you can harvest it, or by using the cycle to get more of the wheat. So, once you've gathered some wheat, go ahead and craft flour in the mortar and pestle. And there you go. This is how you get flour in ICARUS. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you next time.